Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can enable floating window in HUAWEI. So to start, you will need to open whatever application you would like to put into the floating window or floating window mode or pop-up view. Sometimes it can be referred to as both. So let's say I'll go with settings, then drag this little invisible bar from the bottom to the top like that until you will open the recent list and tap at this icon in front of app name. As you can see, it puts it into the floating window mode. You can also do that by dragging this app to this icon at the right. This one will put it in the split screen mode, and this one will provide you with the pop-up view. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.